Welcome back, my dear friend. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine. And today I will explain the chapter in Father Presence. In previous video, I will tell you about the half story of this chapter, and that is the first part of my video of this chapter. And today I will told about the another part of this video. And in previous video, you will know the start the story from the beginning, and in the Father Presence that written by the R.K. Narayan. Okay, it means the R.K. Narayan has been written this story, and this story name is it means this story extract from Swami and Friends. Okay, and there are some of the words meaning of this chapter. Look here, avarice means greed, and obscure point means unclear question. Next is improbable price. Improbable price means unlikely cost, and without conviction means without being sure. Next is realme. Here realme means a specific topic, and harassing means worrying someone. And last is the whole root means all of them. Okay, and there are two main character.
Swaminathan steadily began to hate and invest with the darkest qualities of Rama. Father, after some time, the Swaminathan tell to his father that he can't do that sum. The father become angry, and he asking to him that to give him slate, and he is reading the book, and before the reading the book he also rebuked to the Swaminathan that he was the very fool boy. And then he asked some question. It means father asked some question. What he asked? He asked that if father asked how much does Rama expect for 10 mangoes. Then Swaminathan thought first, and after the thought he also said that it is the price of not exact. Okay, and this if they were ripe, it means mangoes were ripe, then 15 anaj might not be importable price. If only he could get more light on this point. Then father asked again, how much does Rama want for these mangoes? Then he replied, it means Swaminathan replied, 15 anaj. And then he was not confirmed. Okay, father says to him, very good to reply this answer. And he next asked, how many mangoes does Krishna want? Then Swaminathan replied that four mangoes, 4 anaj. Oh no, sorry, 4 mangoes. What is the price of 4 mangoes? The father asked next question. Then Swaminathan think about that. How could he know what that fool Krishna would pay? He had half a mind to trash him, and his hand took Swaminathan ear. 10 mangoes cost 15 anaj. What is the price of 1? Father asked and repeat this question again. But Swaminathan cannot speak because he was not confirmed, and he cannot know about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so longer he hesitated. When the father catch his ear and twisting it violently, then the little boy, it means Swaminathan, squealed, it means crying and weeping, and he says that father, he says that I am not going to leave. Then father said that I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 anaj. The little Swaminath kept blinking, it means weeping, and after that father wanted to badly to know instead of harassing him. So he think that if the father wanted to know this no answer of this question, then why they will ask to me? He should go into the market and find out of a whole brood of Ramas and Krishna with their endless transaction with odd quantities of mangoes and fraction of money. Okay, father admitted defeat by the declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 anaj simplified. And when the father says this statement, and he know that it was the fraction, when he know, it means Swaminathan know that it was fraction, then he asked to his father, give me the slate, I will find out. He worked and found at the end of the 15 minutes, and then he tell the reply. What is his reply? The price of one mango is 3 over 2 anaj. He expected contradicted any moment, but father said very good. Contradicted means be told that he was wrong. He was not confirmed. His answer was correct, but he says it. And when the father heard this answer, he says that very good. It was plain sailing after that. The Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour, and he said that the Krishna must pay 6 anaj and burst into tears. It means he weeping very bitterly. And such type way the Swaminathan replied the correct answer. At the 5 o'clock, when his father is going for a club, he also asked to the Swaminathan and also felt sorry for the all work that happened in afternoon. And he said to his son that, would you like you to come with me to the club? Why? The Swaminathan sulking behind a pillar, and Vyabgon means very unhappy. It means serious face. And Swaminathan answered by disappearing for a minute. It means he was disappeared. It means invisible for a moment, a minute, and reappearing to put on his coat and cap. So this story has been completed by its summary. I hope you all understand this story very well, and I will come for the next video. Thank you.